Once per year we collide for 1 month heavy ions at the LHC, and they offer the unique possibility to create a new state of matter, the so-called quark-gluon plasma, in which quarks and gluons, which are usually bound into baryons and mesons, so confined states of matter, that they roam freely and create this quark-gluon plasma, and we try to study its properties. We are convinced that the quark-gluon plasma exists and that it is created in the high-energy heavy ion collisions produced at the LHC, because we have done really a large number of measurements that can only be naturally explained with the hypothesis of quark-gluon plasma formation. However, it is still a big aim of our field to produce a textbook quality proof that you can then teach at universities and show in lectures that it is really unambiguous and something that is easily understandable. So by colliding now in the new run heavy ion collisions, we expect a factor of 100 increase in statistics, and that allows us to measure what we call rare probes like charm particles. So what do I mean with rare probes? First of all, they do not get produced so often, and then we can only reconstruct them in a specific decay channels that also do not occur so often. That has to do with the simple quantum mechanics that governs that processes only occur with a simple probability. So you need to, and some of these decays, they only happen in 1% of the cases, and they only get produced in 1% of the cases. If you multiply these two numbers, you immediately see that only every 10,000th collision you get a certain particle reconstructed. That is simply quantum mechanics that we cannot overcome, but for this the simple solution is to just collide more particles, and this is what we do now. So the last time we collided heavy ions was in 2018, so 5 years ago. And since then we have analyzed this data over and over. We have, what I always say, squeezed out all of the physics of this data. You have to imagine it's like an orange where you squeezed out all the juice. And now we are really running out of things we can do with this data, and we really desperately need new data because we have many unanswered questions from round 1 and 2. And for that we really need the data to answer them. There is hundreds of PhD students around the world which eagerly want to write a thesis on this data, and that's why we are so excited, and hopefully the run is a big success.